Good morning, students. So today we are back again with the revision of second unit of the first chapter of your second unit of Marigold book, that is Bird Talk. And this is also our last chapter of literature to revise. So come, let us first enjoy the clip of the poem and then we will go to the essence.
Bird Talk. Bird Talk is an interesting poem by Aileen Fisher. Do you think birds find people funny? Let's listen to what the robin and the jay have to say. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. About people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
So, what do we see in the poem? The poem Bird Talk is written by Aileen Fisher. And what are the two birds mentioned in this poem? The two birds are robin and jay. So we can see that robin and jay are talking to each other. And what are they talking? They are talking about people, right? Not only that, they are talking about people, about the way they grow. They are sitting in a garden and they are discussing how funny the way of growing of the people. The birds, robin and jay, they think people are funny because of certain reasons. What are those reasons? The first of them is people don't have feathers, right? What do we have? We human beings, what do we have on our skin? We have hair because we are mammals. But birds, they don't have hair on their body. What do they have? They have feathers. Since humans don't have feathers on their body, birds think that humans are funny. The second reason of them is the way they eat, their eating system. Humans don't eat beetles. Humans don't eat any kind of insects. But birds do. Rather, birds live on insects only, right? So, as their eating habits are different, birds think that humans are funny. There is another reason why they think that humans are funny, because they don't grow wings. And the last one of them is they don't sit on wires and things. Have you imagined that if we try to sit on a wire, what will happen? It will rather just tear apart, right? So it is not possible for a human being to sit on a wire. But birds can do that. Since they have tiny legs and they have a claw to hold upon things, tiny things or thin things to hold on, so they can sit on wires very easily. But humans can't do that, right? And humans can also not fly. We cannot fly because we don't have wings, and that is very, very uncommon to the birds, because flying is a very easy thing for the birds. They think that it is very natural. Every living being can fly, but humans cannot fly. That is why birds think that humans are funny.
New words. Feathers. Peacock has beautiful feathers.
New words.
Funny. The jokers in the circus are funny. Wires. We should not touch wires with wet hands. Wings. The birds fly with the help of wings.
So here we can see 4 words and we know all the meanings of these 4 words, right? Don't we? We know the meaning of feathers, we know what is the meaning of funny, Being funny means a person who is humorous, right? We know the meaning of wares and also the meaning of wings. So since we know all the meanings, we need to be careful about the spellings. Alright, especially the spelling of the first word. Since the poem is about birds, let's gather some extra.
Hi, I'm Teacher Donna. I'll give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. Bird Talk. The poem Bird Talk is about the conversation between two birds. Have you ever listened to the sound of any bird? Can you identify the sounds of different birds around you? Let us hear the sound of some birds around us.
Now it's time for us to discuss the questions. So the first question of the poem is, name the two birds in the poem. It is the simplest question possible. The two birds, the names of the two birds mentioned in the poem are Robin and Jay, right? The second question asks, what are the three things that people can't do? I know you have learned this question by your heart. So the three things that people can't do are, first of all, they don't grow feathers. Secondly, they don't eat beetles. And thirdly, they don't sit on wares and things. These are the three things that people can't do, but so with this, we have come to the end of our revision classes. Since we will meet again after your midterm examination, so I wish you all the very best and I hope you prepare yourself well enough and